Hello, everybody. Hello, my name is Chief Imo Worldwide. Of course, you know me already. Today we are here for something different, something that all of you will be happy to see. I have something to present to you. I have my 4 daughters. I have Sugar.
Hi bestie, my name is Cherish Ogechukumuna Chinso, aka Celebrity Sugar. The only girl when they sweet like tomorrow no day. The only girl when they sweet like sugar. Hey, guys, in a good mood, from up to down, you go no say na me be the only girl when they turn important man on. This one sweet bill. The only girl when get milk industry is sharp. Guys, where are my datas? All my data fans, please come for me. One data de chamber. Aye, it touch you. Guys, this is the time to show me love. Come and show me love. Guys, please recommend me. Comment, like, make sure my name comments. As you can see, I am beautiful, cute, fresh and shiny. Mwah. Thank you guys, love you. Mwah.
I have Koi.
Hello, my lovely people. Hello, amazing people. My name is Mary Inkionyemena, popularly known as Miss Koi, aka Rebecca, aka Opula Caresia, aka Adadiorama, aka one Manarisia, one go this on my eye, and another Derolo, Adani Sonifane, aka Opel, the only pineapple juicy in the building. Hello. Oh my god. My wonderful and amazing people, I am gorgeous. I'm dramatic. Yeah, I know. I'm dramatic. I'm eloquent and eloquent, you know. So my people, I am so happy and so amazed to be here today to also indulge all of you to vote for me on this particular act of modeling. You know, I believe by what you're seeing, your girl is also vibing, you know. Then one thing left. I am this one person that is always positive in everything about life. Positive vibe, positive energy. You get? I'm from Anambra State in Agruzibo, precisely. So my beautiful people, Billy, wanna vote for me because this morning they carry home. You see this flower? No, I get that. Oh wow. Okay guys, vote for me. Oh, my sexy neighbor.
I have Oluwaje.
Hi, my people. My name is Aya Chinazo Success, aka Babina, aka Babina Today, aka Onuwaje Boys and Men. The only short girl that will make boys and men to turn when I walk. I am classic, I am demure, I am cutesy. Please recommend me. And first and foremost, I am from O2 Onitsha, from Anambra State. O2, please come and recommend me. This is your babe. Thank you so much.
And I have Noso Dioko in the building.
Hi family, this is Tony Esther Oluchi Nurse, aka Nurse Odiok, the only hottest nurse in the industry. Guys, please support me, vote for me, say good things about me, recommend me. I beg, let me go home with this 100 pie. All the very important for me because of ego pad. Because guys, vote for me. So good things about me, please recommend me. Be totally be I beg, more than for my hand. Imo State, because more than vote for Nigeria, please. I want to go home with this 100 pie. God bless you all.
And today I am going to test the ability of, the courage. How you carry yourself, what you can do, how well did you do it, how did people found your doings, you know. Today we are going to be giving out 100,000 naira to the best or the highest person who had the highest recommendations from you guys. You are going to comment. Your comments will now place the person as a winner. Anybody that did it well or that does it well or that do it well, the first person will be going home with 100,000, second person 50,000, while the third person will go with 30,000, and the last person will go home with 20,000 naira. But from your comments, we are going to read from the first day of this post till 7 days. 7 days, or let's make it 14 days, because some people might not really be able to come in and watch them. Let's make it 14 days. After 14 days, we'll now count and see the person you all choose as the winner of this game. They are going to catwalk, they're going to say one or two about themselves. It depends on you, your choice. Just say it the way it is and then we follow. But you must support just one person. Call the person's name and then you comment below that this is your best, this is my best, that is my best. And at the end of the day, we are going to count from now to 14 days, and then whoever that that has more recommendation, the person goes on with the prize. So let's go. Please, this is opportunity, or this is a way of supporting them. Please, we want you to give out your best, pass mark. I know you will do it. We have Onitsha people, we have a Asaba person, we have Imo State, and we have Anambra. So these 4 states are in this game. Let's go. Thank you.